Hello again, sixth graders. Welcome to week 7. So today, Monday, May 11th, no new assignments today. Today is going to be another building day for you to be working on your thermos building challenge. Hopefully you've been working off of the 2 documents that I have in the screen here. Your planning page, where you were thinking about ideas that you could put into your thermos. You were listing your materials. Hopefully you jotted down some ideas of other things you needed to do and wrote down where you did some research, things you may have looked at, and then you have your little sketch of the thermos cup you've turned in. And I'll be looking at those today as I look forward to seeing your different design ideas. And then also Friday you were supposed to fill out reflection number 1 after your first day of building to just see how things were going and just give you a chance to reflect on it. And just the more thought you put into this, the better it's going to go. So again, today, Monday, no new assignments. You're just working on continuing to build your thermos. Tomorrow we'll fill out the second reflection and have the testing day. So hopefully you've got an ice cube or 2 ready for that test. But continue working on your project today. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope that you're taking a break from school and getting a chance to go outside and get some fresh air every once in a while. I know I was outside a lot on Saturday and it was great before it started raining. So have a good day and keep up the good work.